Hi everybody. Today's video I will be showing you how to remove and replace the fuel pump on a 2000 through 2004 BMW 3 Series model. The fuel pump is actually located on the rear of the passenger side. Let me show you. Okay, I already have the back seat removed, but all that is holding in the back seat is these two little hooks. What you do is you grab under right here and you pop up. They should just pop up. It's these two things. Then the whole seat should just slide out and remove. Then as you can see, there's two wires. One is the fuel pump and one is the sending unit. The one on the driver's side is not the fuel pump, so you have to focus on the passenger side. As you see, the carpet, lift up, get this out of the way. You gotta pull this back. Pull this back. You can. Me, this is a parts car, so I don't really need any of this. I just ripped it. You can be cautious so that you don't rip yours. Then there's gonna be 4 10mm bolts right here, so go ahead and get a socket, ratchet, wrench, whatever you got, and remove these 4 bolts. Alright, let me go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, so now that all 4 bolts are removed, you want to go ahead and lift up slowly. You don't want to just yank it up and rip whatever wires are connected through the back. Alrighty. There it is. And this is your fuel pump, guys. Located in the rear of the passenger seat. Just want to put this out the way. Alright, well, that doesn't want to stay, so first you want to disconnect it right here. You probably need a flathead to go ahead and pry the clip off. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Or you know what? You could either pry it from here, or push forward. But let's go ahead and get the flathead screwdriver. Like that. So that's going to go ahead and pry that off. And you should be able to just pull it out. Sorry, it's very hard to work with one hand. pry it all the way. There it goes. This is the harness. See how it closes, slides to the left? That's how it locks into place. Alright, and I believe they do sell a special tool. I've seen it before, I've never owned it myself, but it's actually just like a cap right here and it spins it off. It's like a big round circle that covers the top of this cap and grips it and turns it. But me, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna twist it to the left by hand or with whatever I can. Alright, I'm gonna do that really quick and I'll show you guys once I'm got it loose. Okay, so what I went ahead and did was got my long pry bar and put it right here, then hit it with a hammer or a rubber mallet in the back, and when I did that it actually broke the seal. Alright, and then after that you should be able to hand loosen it like this to the left. It's lefty loosey, righty tighty, just like as a regular screw. Now that this is off, you got to go ahead and remove this clip. This is a factory kind of like permanent clip, so once this one is removed you will more than likely need to replace this hose clamp. Alright, so let me go ahead and bust this one off, then I'll go ahead and show you guys what I mean. With maybe just some dikes like this, you should be able to get this off. If not, if you hear that squeaking, that's actually the rubber hose on the plastic twisting. It's kind of good to go ahead and break that twist too, because when removing that hose, it could be hard to remove it. Okay, you can see how it wraps. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap that. Smaller flathead that I have. Okay, now that I got the hose off, it's gonna leak a little bit of fuel, as you can see. You can prevent that by putting it in the upward position, tucking it upwards. But just make sure you open your doors, windows, vent it out. You don't want to box yourself in with this. And that should come off just like that. Then there's this little handle here. It does have the aligning point right here for when you do put it on. Make sure that it is, let me see, basically this little part down here faces downwards so that it's aligned correctly. So I'm gonna wiggle it out slowly. Alright, we wiggled it out. This is what it looks like now that it's out. it's recommended that you replace this rubber ring every time, but if you're on a budget or it doesn't come with your kit or new part, just go ahead and double check for any cracks or any seal bust or anything. Yeah, and that's how you remove and replace the fuel pump on an E46. All right, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button for more videos on how to remove and replace, and stay tuned.